So the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have finally launched, with some major updates on its designs. These are the first to use strong and lightweight titanium in their appearance. This high-quality alloy, commonly used in spacecraft, has the best strength-to-weight ratio among metals. On the middle frame, both phones have a new brush texture and curved edges. In terms of color, the iPhone 15 Pro series is available in black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. In addition, in the iPhone 15 Pro series, the silent pics have retired from the stage, and the action button has been used instead. The operation of the action button is similar to that of Apple Watch Ultra. Users can enable the camera, record the screen, open the note-taking application, or specify to open a certain app, according to their own preferences. Of course, the user can also set it to a silent switch and switch the ringtone vibration mode. The iPhone 15 Pro series is equipped with the new A17 Pro chip. A17 Pro is the industry's first 3nm process chip. The performance core can be improved by up to 10%, and the energy efficiency core performance and power consumption 3 times that of competing products. The iPhone 15 Pro cameras now feature a 48-megapixel sensor and a new 5x optical zoom telephoto lens. The cameras of the iPhone 15 Pro series also incorporate a new light imaging engine, and the night mode has been improved with clearer details and brighter colors, including night mode portrait photography through a LiDAR scanner. The iPhone 15 Pro series also introduces a new option for log mode encoding, becoming the first iPhone ever to support the Academy Color Encoding System, a global standard for color workflow. Later this year, iPhone 15 Pro will add a new dimension to recording video with spatial video that complies with the Apple Vision Pro standard. Users will be able to capture beautiful moments in 3 dimensions. The iPhone 15 Pro series has also switched to USB-C ports, so the same cable can now charge iPhone, Mac, iPad, and the updated AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. You can also charge AirPods or Apple Watch directly using an iPhone equipped with a USB-C port. iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max support USB 3, which can achieve data transfer speeds of up to 10 GB per second, which is up to 20 times faster than before. The iPhone 15 Pro series now supports Wi-Fi 6E for better wireless performance, including up to 2x speed increase. In addition, it also launched the first iPhone that supports the Thread standard, leaving space for the integration of home apps. In addition, they also support MagSafe and Future Qi2 wireless charging, as well as voice highlighting during calls. The iPhone 15 Pro price starts from $999, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts from $1,199.